Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am very good. I'm happy to see you.
Me too. It is a nice day today.
Yes, the weather is good. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather. So, what do we do today?
I have an idea. Look, I have a picture.
Oh, a picture? Let me see.
Here. What do you think?
Wow, it is very interesting. I like it.
Me too. Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, I love that idea. Let's talk.
What do you see in this picture?
I see a family, a mom, a dad, and two children.
Yes, I see a boy and a girl.
The girl is small. She is very cute.
Yes, she is cute. She has brown hair.
The boy has brown hair too.
They look like brother and sister.
Yes, same hair, same eyes, very similar.
The mom has brown hair too.
Haha, it is a brown hair family.
That is funny. I like that.
Look at the mom. She is happy.
Yes, she is smiling. She looks very kind.
I think she is a good mom.
Yes, she looks warm and caring.
The dad is smiling too. He looks happy.
He looks relaxed. No stress today.
Yes, it is a good day for the family.
They are all happy. I like this family.
Me too. They look like a real family. Not perfect, just happy.
Yes, happy is better than perfect.
That is true.
Where are they?
They are at home. They are in the living room.
Yes, they are sitting on a sofa.
The sofa is big and comfortable. I want a sofa like that.
Me too. It looks very soft.
I want to sit there and relax.
Me too, with a blanket.
Oh, yes. Look, there is a blanket on the sofa.
Yes, a pink and gray blanket. So cozy.
Perfect for a cold evening.
Yes, you put on the blanket, you watch TV.
And you eat popcorn.
Yes, the perfect evening.
Look, there is a TV.
Yes, they are watching TV together.
What are they watching?
I don't know. Maybe a movie.
I think it is a good movie. They look very interested.
The children look very happy. I think they like the movie.
Yes, the little girl is excited. Look at her eyes.
She has big eyes. She is looking at the TV.
She is maybe watching a cartoon.
Yes, little children love cartoons.
I loved cartoons when I was small.
Me too. Every Saturday morning cartoons.
Haha, yes, Saturday morning cartoons were the best.
Now I watch different things, but I still love Saturdays.
The boy is also looking at the TV. He is thinking.
Yes, he looks very focused.
Maybe the movie is funny.
Or maybe it is exciting. Or maybe it is a little scary.
Haha, and he is trying to be brave.
Yes, Big Brother is not scared.
But maybe a little scared.
Yes, maybe a little.
Look at the table. What is on the table?
Oh, there's popcorn.
Yes, a big bowl of popcorn.
I love popcorn. It is delicious.
Me too. Popcorn and a movie, perfect.
Some popcorn is on the table, not in the bowl.
Haha, the children are eating fast.
Yes, they are hungry and excited.
I do that too. I eat and I don't look. Then popcorn everywhere.
Me too. My mom says I am messy.
My mom says the same thing.
Moms always say that
Yes, but they still make the popcorn for us.
because they love us.
Yes, that is true.
There are also some books on the table.
Oh yes, I see two books. Maybe they read after the movie.
Good idea. Reading is important.
Yes, but first the movie.
Of course. Movie first, books after.
That is my rule too.
A good rule.
What kind of books do you think they are?
Maybe children's books for the kids.
Or maybe a big book for the mom and dad.
Yes, maybe a storybook or maybe a recipe book.
Oh, a recipe book. Maybe they cook after the movie too.
A movie, popcorn, books, and cooking. A full evening.
I want to join this family for one evening.
I want too. Can we go?
Yes, we bring more popcorn.
Perfect.
Look at the room. It is very nice.
Yes, the room is warm and cozy.
It is clean and tidy too.
Yes, everything is in the right place.
Well, except the popcorn on the table.
Yes, the popcorn is everywhere.
There is a lamp. It gives warm light.
The light is soft. I like it.
It is not too bright, not too dark, just right.
Yes, soft light makes a room feel cozy.
I want soft lights in my room too.
Me too. I have a big, bright light. It is not cozy at all.
Oh no, change it. Get a soft lamp.
Yes, I will.
And look, there is a plant.
Yes, a big green plant. It is in the corner.
It is a big plant, very healthy.
They take good care of it.
Yes, if you have a healthy plant, you are a good person.
Is that true?
I think so. Plants need love and attention.
Like children.
Yes, and like friends.
Aw, that is sweet, Tom.
Thank you, Anna.
I like plants in a home. They are beautiful.
Me too. They make the room feel alive.
And they give clean air.
Yes, plants are very good for the home.
I have one small plant. His name is Leo.
You have a name for your plant?
Yes. Is that strange?
A little, but it is cute.
Thank you. Leo is very important to me.
I want a plant now. Maybe I call her Rosa.
Rosa is a beautiful name for a plant.
Yes, a pink plant named Rosa.
Perfect.
There is also a picture on the wall.
Yes, it has colors, blue, orange, and red.
It is a modern picture. Very simple, but nice.
I like simple things, clean and nice.
Me too. Some pictures are very complicated.
Yes, too many things, too many colors.
This one is simple. I like it.
The walls are light blue, very calm.
Yes, blue is a calm color. I feel relaxed when I see blue.
Me too. This room feels peaceful.
It feels safe, too, like nothing bad can happen here.
Yes, it is a safe and happy home.
Every child needs a home like this.
Yes, that is very true.
Look at the mom again. She has her arm around the children.
Yes, she loves her children very much.
The dad has his arm around the mom.
They are one big hug. So sweet.
The whole family is touching. They are close.
Yes, not just in the picture, close in the heart.
That is beautiful, Anna.
Thank you. This picture makes me feel things.
Me too. Good feelings.
Warm feelings.
Happy feelings.
I feel happy when I look at this picture.
Me too. It makes me think of my family.
Yes, my family watches TV together too.
Really? What do you watch?
We watch movies on weekends and sometimes funny shows.
That sounds fun. My family watches cooking shows.
Oh, interesting. Do you cook after?
Sometimes, my mom tries new recipes.
That is great. My dad always falls asleep during the movie.
Haha, my dad too. Every time.
The movie starts. 5 minutes later, he's sleeping.
And he says, I was not sleeping. I was resting my eyes.
Yes, that is exactly what my dad says.
All dads say that.
It is a dad rule.
Yes, dad rule number 1. Always sleep during the movie.
And dad rule number 2, say they were not sleeping.
So true.
Family time is important.
Yes, in this picture, the family is together. No phones, no stress.
Just the family, the TV, and the popcorn.
Simple and happy. I like that.
Today, everyone is on their phone, even at dinner.
Yes, we eat and we look at the phone.
We are together, but not really together.
Yes, that is sad.
This family is really together. They look at the TV, not the phone.
Yes, they talk, they laugh, they eat popcorn together.
That is the real meaning of family time.
Modern life is very busy. We work, we study, we run.
Yes, we forget to stop and be together.
This picture reminds me to slow down.
Me too. Sit with your family, watch a movie, eat some popcorn.
And be happy.
Yes, happiness is simple sometimes.
We think we need big things to be happy.
A big house, a big car, lots of money,
But this family looks very happy on a simple sofa.
with a bowl of popcorn.
Yes, simple things, big happiness.
I will remember that.
Me too.
Look at the children again. They are so young.
Yes, the girl is maybe 3 or 4 years old.
And the boy is maybe 7 or 8.
They grow up fast. One day they are small.
And then they are big, like us.
Yes, I remember watching TV with my parents when I was small.
Me too. We watched cartoons every Saturday morning.
I loved cartoons. They were so fun.
My favorite was a cartoon about a little dog.
Oh, what was his name?
I don't remember, but he was very funny.
Haha, you remember the dog, but not the name.
Yes, he was orange and very silly.
I remember a cartoon about a family. They were always in funny situations.
Yes, cartoons about families are the best.
Because we understand them. We have a family too.
Yes, we see ourselves in the cartoon.
Now I watch different things, but I still love Saturday mornings.
Some things do not change.
No, family love does not change.
Children grow, parents get older, but love stays.
Yes, love stays always.
That is true. Look at this picture one more time.
Okay, I see love, I see happiness, I see a warm home.
Yes, this is a good life.
A simple, beautiful, good life.
Not a rich life, not a famous life.
Just a good, happy, real life.
That is the best life.
I agree.
I want to call my mom now.
Me too. This picture is powerful.
A picture with no words, but it says everything.
Yes, that is the magic of a good picture.
It tells a story without one word.
A story about love and family and a quiet evening at home.
I will save this picture.
Me too. I want to look at it again.
When I am stressed, I will look at this picture.
Yes, and you will feel calm again.
And happy again.
Yes, it's a happy picture.
Thank you for looking at it with me, Tom.
Thank you, Hannah. It was a lovely conversation.
We talked about so many things.
Yes, the family, the room, the popcorn, our dad sleeping.
Yes, we laughed a lot.
That's what friends do. They talk and they laugh.
Just like this family on the sofa.
Yes, we are like them, just without the sofa.
And without the popcorn.
Next time we bring popcorn.
Yes, and we find a big, comfortable sofa.
And we watch a good movie.
And we be happy.
Simple and happy, the best way.
See you tomorrow.
See ya! And maybe we can watch a movie together this weekend.
Yes, and I will bring the popcorn.
And I will bring the blanket.
Perfect. A perfect plan.
Just like this family, simple and happy.
Simple and happy. Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye, Anna. Call your mom.
I will. You too.
I will, right now. Bye.
Bye.